Namaste. Welcome to Annapurna Holistic Nutrition, where we make simple and delicious plant-based recipes. Today we're going to showcase to you a Buddha bowl, which consists of grains, a bunch of raw vegetables, along with some kind of beans or lentils, and we can add potatoes or sweet potatoes as a starchy vegetable as well. Come join me and let's make it together.
Today we'll begin by sauteing onions. We'll showcase to you a oil-free saute where we'll be using just water, or you can use veggie broth as well to deglaze the pan, or you can use a sprinkling of salt and that will help release the water to deglaze the pan as well. To this we will be now adding a few tablespoons of chopped garlic. And then we continue the sauteing till the onions are translucent and the garlic has released its flavors. Add water as necessary to deglaze the pan. And then get ready to add the mushrooms. Have the mushrooms chopped and ready to go, and add about 6 to 8 chopped mushrooms. And mushrooms will release water, so you don't really need to add too much water to saute the mushrooms. Mix everything together and you can even keep it covered for a couple of minutes so that the mushrooms release the water and they get cooked. Don't overcook the mushrooms. Make sure that they are just cooked and stop the sauteing process. Set aside. Now we'll begin by plating the salad. Start with a bed of greens. Add a couple of tablespoons of cooked beans that you already have kept ready. Any kind of beans you can use. And I'm using grain today. I'm using brown rice for the grains. Add about quarter cup of brown rice or quinoa or any other grains. Here I'm using one full cooked sweet potato that's been cubed, grated green cabbage, grated red cabbage, chopped red radish, grated beets, red beets, grated carrot, just a couple of tablespoons of each of these. About a small piece of cucumber chopped up, tomato, about half to one tomato, chop it up and add to the salad. And all the different peppers that you have, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper and red bell pepper. Chop them and add any other vegetables of your choice. And add some flavoring of herbs. For example, parsley or cilantro or mint. Now the salad is ready to go. I'll prepare the salad dressing now, a very simple one. Add a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon or so of mustard that's readily available in the stores. And then you can add maple syrup, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, any one of these things. Instead of apple cider vinegar, you can use lime or lemon. You can use lemon zest or lime zest as well. And I add this sauteed mushroom, onion, garlic mixture. Top the salad off with that. About half a cup to a cup of mushroom mixture you can add. Then add the salad dressing. Your Buddha bowl is ready to go. Enjoy and visit us at Annapurna.